In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a TradingView alert to a third-party automation bridge using a webhook. To get started, make sure you already have the chart open in TradingView and that your strategy or indicator setup is added to your chart layout. This part is important because the alert you create will depend on the conditions produced by that specific indicator or strategy. Before moving on, take a quick moment to confirm that your chart is configured the way you want and that the signals are appearing correctly. Next, open your third-party automation bridge tool. This could be a platform such as Capitalize.ai, 3commas, or a webhook bot service. The purpose of this tool is to receive the alert from TradingView and then pass that information into an automated action, depending on how your workflow is set up. Once you're inside the platform, look for the area where it provides webhook integration details. From that third-party tool, generate a webhook URL along with the payload message. The webhook URL is the destination TradingView will send the alert to, and the payload message is the data that gets delivered with that alert. In many tools, this payload is already pre-formatted for you, so it's important to copy it exactly as provided. Even small formatting changes can cause the automation to fail, so accuracy matters here. Now go back to TradingView and click Create Alert. In the alert window, choose the correct indicator condition that matches the signal you want to automate. This step is crucial because the alert will only trigger when that selected condition is met. After selecting the condition, find the checkbox labeled Webhook URL and enable it. Then paste the webhook URL from your third-party tool into that field. After that, take the payload message string you copied earlier and paste it into the message box in TradingView. Be careful not to add extra spaces, remove characters, or reformat the text unless your automation platform specifically tells you to. The message box needs to contain the payload exactly as expected by the receiving tool. Once everything is in place, click Create to save the alert. At that point, your TradingView alert is connected to the webhook automation bridge and ready to send data whenever the condition is triggered. As a final